Hey guys, so you have a nice car, but you don't have any AC in it. In other words, the AC doesn't work and the windows don't roll down. What do you do next if you need to go around and do some errands? Especially in a hot sunny day, you'll be boiling in there, kind of baking. So what do you do? Well, one of the things I did, I went to heatcoolers.com and I ordered me myself a heat cooler, which is right there, and I use it temporarily when I need to drive around and do some errands. I fill this up with ice, and once I fill it up with ice, I just turn on the fan with this switch right here. Then it starts blowing out cool air, and it's pretty efficient, and it cools you off as you're driving along. So since my windows can't open, and it plugs in with a 12-volt plug, you just plug it into your outlet, and then you can just go ahead and turn it on by hitting the switch. It has the air inlet vent right there, and then the air exhaust comes out right there. Now, it comes with one of these air vents, which you just put it in there, and it directs the air to your location where you're at. So it blows it out. It's really cool. What it does, of course, it sends out the cool air to you, so you're sitting in this driver's seat and the air is just blowing at you right there, so keeping you cool as you drive around. And for those of you who are lucky to have your windows that can be open, that's nice, but sometimes other cars can't open up the windows for whatever reason, electrical problems, or and it's just too costly to fix it. So this is a temporary solution. So I got mine at heatcoolers.com, and there it is. There you have it. Now you can also put it in the back seat. It doesn't have to be in the front seat, as it blows out all the air. And the cool thing about it, you can also store some drinks inside with the ice. Now once the ice completely melts, I can use it as a swamp cooler, because it's got that built-in feature where you just press on this other button here, switch, and it turns on a water pump that's inside, and it starts circulating water into a water pad that then becomes a swamp cooler. Like a mini swamp cooler, but it keeps your car nice and fresh, cool, so that you can go on about and doing your own thing. So, and they come in different models. You can visit that website. It's heatcoolers.com. I'm gonna go ahead and place it in the back seat, so let's see how it looks. Alright guys, here it is in the back seat, and you can of course anchor it down with your seat belt, fasten it down so it doesn't move around. And there's the cord attached to it, and it's running all the way down here to the outlet. And this particular model, I guess it's a 28 quart. So there you have it, guys. If you need a temporary solution for your AC problem, visit heatcoolers.com and get more information about it. Thank you, guys.